Hi, I'm Simran Kaur from Minnesota, USA, and I am researching new AI-based approaches to assistive technology for people with autism-spectrum disorder. 1 out of 36 children in the US have autism, and it strongly affects nonverbal communication, especially facial expressions. My sister has autism, and her struggles with nonverbal communication in her American Sign Language class inspired me to create Emotune, an app that works as a facial expression coach. I evaluated the best open source AI model to recognize and classify facial expressions on a sample set of 400,000 images. Then, I created a prototype for the app in a Google Colab notebook. When I started with the actual app, I converted the chosen model to Apple's Core ML, meaning that all of the image AI operations of the app run locally on the iPhone 16's neural processing cores, so I don't need expensive cloud servers to keep the app running. Then, I designed the user interface and created a chatbot using OpenAI that gives the user personalized feedback on how to change their expressions to portray what they mean. To use the app, you select an emotion to practice, take a picture of yourself portraying it, and get customized feedback. You can also check the tutorial videos to follow along with a visual example. Next came the study to test Emotune's effectiveness. First, neurotypical and neurodivergent participants took a test to assess their abilities to recognize and form facial expressions. Then, they practiced with Emotune for 7 weeks and took the test again. The improvement between the two test scores was measured. The first time people took the test, the scores were almost identical between both groups for expression recognition. However, neurotypical people scored higher on the formation portion. People that practiced with Emotune showed an improvement in their scores for both categories. As such, Emotune has been proved to be an effective educational tool, and it can be an alternative to expensive one-on-one in-person coaching, which is the current standard of care.